Hello Team TFT, welcome back to another week of the Daily Market Outlook video. We're going to cover the DXY, the Euro USD and the GBP USD pairs. As for the economic calendar this week, we've got a little bit of news coming through. We've got some USD news at midnight tonight, obviously Australian time. We also have tomorrow, we've got the FOMC statements and the Fed fund rates coming out. And later on in the week, we have some more news coming out of Euro. And obviously Friday night, we've got some more information there coming out of the US. So in saying that, a little bit of volatility to come this week, especially with the FOMC statements and conference coming forward after some news earlier on Monday. So yeah, expected volatility. But let's just do a bit of market analysis here and see what we've got going. So basically on the 4 hour, we can see we've worked down, we've worked up. Even if we go out onto a daily trend, probably a little bit more, we can see here, we are just stepping down and working our way down. So on the 4 hour here, let's have a bit of a look. We can see here on the 4 hour that we are currently in an uptrend, working our way up. But we are in this higher time frame leg from the top here down to the bottom down there. So basically we're coming up to that 50% area that we could be seeing a rejection from, but also this 702 area looks quite good as well. So basis at the moment is that we see a pullback to at least this 50% line through here, or even further up to the 702. I think a little bit of the news will be a dictating factor on that. But as for today, expecting a push up to at least this area. So obviously looking long at this point in time. Down to the 15 minute. 15 minute is definitely long. We can see here we had a push up, consolidated, push up, sort of consolidated here. So basically what we're looking for today is either a pullback down to this area before going long, or possibly a push from this area up to continue long from there. And obviously just seeing where we're at around this line, this 50% line when that time comes. Euro USD. So onto the Euro, obviously opposite to the Dixie, we can see we've had this big push up. We've got a higher time frame area here that we had marked out over on these double tops here, but at the moment we've sort of between areas. We've taken out this liquidity high here, and then obviously reversed. But you know, it is probably pretty safe to say that we are looking to possibly move up into this higher time frame zone. But at the moment, looking at it on the 4 hour, we are definitely bearish with this 4 hour price action. So 15 minute is bearish. So when both 4 hour and 15 minute are aligned, we need to be trading with that trend. So obviously consolidate, drop, consolidate, drop. So what we're expecting here at the moment is possibly obviously another drop. Where could we looking at dropping to? We have a lot of 15 minute imbalance right here. So basically down to this old Asian range would be my first area of interest to go towards. So basically just looking for it to make its way down to there. How's it going to do that? We either see a pull up, taking high side liquidity and then coming down into that area, or we see either a straight drop down into that area or a push up and a retrace and down into that area. So they're basically the two trades that I would be looking for Euro today, looking to take profits down in that area down the bottom. GBP. GBP, very, very similar price action here on the 15 minute, just been marching on down here. 4 hour chart, we can see we've had this big peak, and then we've obviously just sort of dropped off from that area. So we can see we're working down here, and we've sort of marching down each day, taking a step lower, consolidating, taking a step lower and consolidating, pushing down. So we're now starting to come down into some areas of high price action, a lot of buying and selling within this area here in particular. So basically what we're looking for here at the moment is where could we possibly see a rejection from out of this area to continue our obviously higher time frame of bullish? So in thinking that this is a retracement from here to here, we've passed the 50%, bottom of the 702 in this sort of green zone here would be quite a good area to look to trade from. And obviously a retest down here at the 786 area could also be quite good as well. Obviously, again, when we're looking at trading reversals, make sure we're seeing signs of reversals on the lower time frames before you're starting to jump into these areas. Don't just because the price action comes in there, don't just take a trade to go long from that area. Wait to see those confirmations and go from there. Anyway, guys, thanks again for jumping on today. Appreciate the support, and we'll be back again tomorrow to analyze today's price chart movements and see what we can find for tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.